Okay, today's video is going to be on, I just ordered some of these threaded inserts and the nuts, and I just wanted to show what I got, and I've just printed out a small one just to test it out there. So yeah, I've got these M2 to M5, and then just the bolts and stuff to match in a few different lengths. And I had a soldering iron. I'm hoping I can heat it up with this one. And then I made this hole. It was 4.5 millimeters, the one that I used, the M3, 4.5 millimeters around. So I've done 4.4 millimeters for that hole. And then this one, I just made big enough, 3 millimeters, I think, just big enough to fit the small bolt. And that last bit, I'm going to push it down. So it flattens off with the top of that, which that looks good. And now this little bit, I've got a washer there. I don't think I really need it, but yeah, that was a good fit actually. I know next time I've got to make this hole a little bit bigger, even though, I mean, that's, you know, it wouldn't hurt. It started to make its own thread now. Yep, now hopefully these two. But yeah, I mean, it'll definitely work. You're not pulling that apart. So yeah, I just wanted to show just a quick one. That's the threaded inserts, and that one's the bolt set. I got them off Amazon. I think it was about maybe $40 total, but there's, you know, a lot there. So yep, so thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll put out another video as soon as possible. Thank you.